Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology and the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on peach juice preparation under capacity building activity of PM-FME scheme. Peach fruit, that is Prunus persica tree of the rose family, that is Rosaceae family, grown throughout the warmer temperate regions of both the northern and southern hemispheres. The peach develops from a single ovary that ripens into both a fleshy, juicy exterior that forms the edible part of the fruit and a hard interior called the stone or pit that encloses the seeds. Peaches are widely eaten fresh and are also baked in pies and cobblers. Canned peaches are a staple commodity in many regions. Yellow-fleshed varieties are especially rich in vitamin A. The peach probably originated in China and then spread westward through Asia to the Mediterranean countries and later to other parts of Europe. Thousands of varieties of the peach have been developed. Yellow-fleshed varieties such as Alberta, Red One, and Halford are preferred in North America, while both yellow and white flesh types are popular in Europe. Health benefits. It provides 6% of your daily vitamin A needs and 50% of daily vitamin C needs. One medium peach also contains 2% or more daily value of vitamin E and K, niacin, folate, iron, choline, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc and copper. Freshly extracted peach juice contains around 83% water and total soluble solid, that is TSS, contained of high as 24%. Harvesting. April to May is the peak month of harvesting peach crop. They reach good color and hard flesh that shows they are ready to harvest. The peaches are immediately rinsed in cold water to stop further ripening. They are run through hydrocooler, essentially an ice water bath that lowers the temperature of the peach to delay the ripening process so that the fruit won't be overripe. Machines and equipment. Fruit washer, fruit crusher, preheat machine, fruit pulping machine, juice extractor, aseptic filling machine. Selection of raw materials. Fruit should be appropriately ripened, fresh, of good taste, juicy and disease-free. Raw material pre-treatment. Wash and clean the fruits to remove fruit hairs. After washing, put it in 1% hydrochloric acid or rinse in detergent. Cut fruits into 2 pieces and remove the core. This can be done by mechanical process. Heating and squeezing. Cut the fruit halves into slices and heat the slices under temperature 90 to 95 degrees centigrade to make it soften. Flavor blending. Add sugar, citric acid and L-type ascorbic acid. This will help to blend the flavor. Homogenization and degassing. Homogenization aims to divide suspension of pulp into small particles and evenly scatter into the juice. It also makes the juice stable and prevent it from being layered. In this method, juice is passed through 0.002 to 0.003 mm mesh on high temperature. This converts pulp and colloid into smaller granules. Colloid mill can also be used to homogenize the juice. When juice is passing through 0.005 to 0.075 mm small gap of colloid meal, the pulp in juice will colloid and friction will get generated in pulp particles because of the powerful centrifugal force. This process results into the generation of homogenized juice. Squeezing fruits into juice has to be done through degassing process to avoid vitamin C and pigment oxidation due to presence of nitrogen in the process. Packaging. When juice is heating at 95 degrees centigrade, immediately fill it into glass bottles or cans and seal the package. Storage. After juice bottle is sealed, invert the bottle and cool it to 38 degrees centigrade. Then store in refrigerated conditions. Till now, we have seen the processing of peach juice demonstration video under PMFME scheme. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state UT governments, has launched an all-India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.